So dividing decimals by whole numbers, you saw the steps in the slide before that. So let's look at an example. So this is example 1. So if we have 180 divided by 8, okay? So 180 will go inside the house, 8 will go outside. 8 won't go into 1. 8 will go into 18 2 times. 8 times 18 is, or 8 times 2 is 16, and when you subtract, you have 2 left over. I'm going to bring down my 0. 8 goes into 20 2 times. That's 16. When I subtract, I get a 4. So in division that is not decimal division, we would put a big R and we'd say we have 4 as a remainder. But when we're doing decimal division, we want to continue to divide so we can find out how many equal parts we're going to divide our remainder into. So if we have 8 friends and we're trying to share 4 cookies, we can't really do that fairly unless we break the cookies into pieces. That's what this decimal point means. This decimal point means that we're going to break that whole up, okay? So we're going to put a decimal point instead of a big R because we're going to show a decimal remainder. We know that when we add zeros after a decimal point, we're not changing the value of 180. So we can do that, and that gives us the amount that we need to be able to divide. 8 goes into 45 times. Notice we have this decimal point up here as well. It's very important that you have that. And 5 times 8 is 40. In the slide before this, it said you're going to divide until you have a 0 remainder, you get a repeating pattern, or your teacher has mercy on you, because some of these division problems can go on a very long time. So that's example 1.